Writing songs in te reo, you do have that extra added pressure of te reo is a beautiful language and you shouldn't sing about, getting effed up on the weekend. And I'm like, tell me your top 10 favorite songs at the moment. They're singing about what I'm singing about. They're like, yeah, but they're singing it in English. And I'm like, everyone you know is singing that song. Imagine if they were singing that song in te reo. We're cheeky. And Māori have always been cheeky, Our tupuna was singing about what was happening in their lives. I'm doing the same thing. I don't know, it should be fun. Te reo should be normal. We've been telling people to learn te reo for ages. Yelling at people doesn't really get the job done, So I started making my reo raps, or my reo rua raps, my bilingual raps, more modern. Like, I think that's what people connected with. I didn't set up to make this a reo rua song or a reo Māori song or an English song. I just started writing.
I roto a hauinga awakari, straight up out the dirt, I brush it off me, I ain't clean but I ain't staying muddy, buddy.
And I was like, nah, it shouldn't have to be just one language. I'm just gonna go back and forth and chuck in whatever I want, whenever I want. So yeah, I was just trying to get gully with it. The first line, I roto a hauinga awakari, I'm in the trenches, straight up out the dirt, because when you literally come out of the trenches, you're gonna be covered in dirt. But also straight up out the dirt means coming from nothing. I brush it off me, so you get up and you do your shoulder clean. I'm not clean, but I'm not staying muddy. So like some of the work that someone might have done in the past might not be legal, right? But I'm not staying muddy, so it's not sticking to you, The whole thing is just like meanings on meanings on meanings, and then I just chucked in a buddy there because I think that's a funny word.
Stay on my grind. Te
reo Māori speakers would be like, oh man, it's a bit baby, or it's a very kohanga reo. I'm like, oh no, but the mainstream aren't gonna listen to it if it's too hard for them. I don't wanna push out the non-reo speakers, and I don't wanna piss off the reo speakers. I want everyone to be in the middle, like meet in the middle, right? So I'm trying to find that bridge where people go, I don't know what he's saying, but I can say those words and I'm gonna repeat them.
Money on my mind, that's the reason why I stay on my grind. Get the money, oh, with the money, get the money, tonu, oh, with the money, yeah.